Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's workout is a 15-minute walking workout. Before we start, please check around you. There's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over or bash into. You only need the space of your fitness mat. Anytime it seems too much for you, please make the steps smaller, leave out any arm movement. Take it to 2 steps. Don't worry too much if you're not on the same beat as me. Really doesn't matter. What matters is that you're moving. Well done. Let's add some arms. Right arm goes out to the side, left arm. So trying to keep that at shoulder height if you can. If it's too much, by all means, make it smaller. I will give some slightly more advanced options for people that have been with me for a while or that are a bit more experienced but just want routines at this level. Back to singles. Swing the arms to little bicep curls. So taking the arms to the side, taking them side to side. Well done. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back. 4, 3, 2, well done. Back to double steps, so those double arms even. Side arms. Back to singles with a bicep curl. Now if you've got room, bring it forward to me for 4, 3, or 2. If you can only make 2, that's fine. If you've got lots of space, you can make it nice and big. If I do that, I come off camera. So keep it at your level. You might only want to do 2 bigger ones, 2 forward, 2 back. Take it to side steps, 2. Arm out, well done. If that's getting too much for you, leave that out. Don't overdo it. Remember, we're trying to get through to the end of the 15-minute workout, so you've got to pace yourself. If you're already breathless, it's too much for you. Well done. Just keep those feet moving through the gap onto the next track. I'm just wiggling my hips side to side, lifting the heels up. So a little bit of a jogger's walk. I'm adding a little bit of twist. So watch your ankles here. If it's uncomfortable on your ankles, alter the movement. Just lift the knees straight forward. Or if it's uncomfortable on your knees too, of course. Ready for side step. Now, as you're doing your side steps, I want you to shuffle yourself slightly towards your left because we're going to go to doubles. Double. A fairly fast track. So you might need to make the steps a little bit smaller. I'm trying to take the whole width of my mat. I say length of my mat, but I've got quite a big square mat here. You just can't see half of it off the front of the camera. So those that can, we're going to take it to a grapevine. So step, cross behind, step together. If that doesn't work for you, stay with the ordinary double step. I'm going to turn in a moment and show you how that works. You step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step, cross behind, step, feet together. Step. If you'd rather do it half time, that's fine too, or stay with your double side steps. Let's, for those that want it, add some arms and a knee lift on the end. Really is up to you. If that doesn't feel right, just stay with where you were. And keep breathing. Are you ready? Hold it here. Knee lifts. I'm going slightly out to the side. Work slightly different muscles. If that doesn't work for you, you can just keep it a little toe tap, opening out through the hip, turning out. Find this one quite intense. If you want to make it really harder, add arm movements, pulling down. I'm going to leave that out because for me, it's enough to concentrate lifting my leg off the ground. Well done. Let's take it down to the tap. Back to the jogger's walk, lifting the heels, maybe with a little bit of wiggle in the hips, just to give them a bit of a loosening after that intense knee lift work. Double side step. Well done. You're doing great. Don't worry if you're struggling with some of the moves. As long as you don't feel uncomfortable, make up what feels right for you. It's your body, your workout. You've got to do what feels right for you. Make it bigger if you want, smaller if you want. So whatever's right for you is right for you. I'm not going to dictate what level you do it at. I just want you to do the best you can for yourself. Okay, next time we're going to pause at the end, tap out, side, 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 side. So I'm just touching the toe out to the side. Toes on the floor, although I suppose if you wanted to, you could lift it. Give yourself a bit more of a challenge. Keep moving throughout the gap. Softly kicking the feet across. So we're adding a tiny bit of balance here. Keep the knees soft. Take it out to the side. So those that can are going to stand on one leg and let it swing out to the side to challenge your balance. If that's too much, just touch the foot to the side. Just challenge your core muscles, your central muscles. Try and keep your body upright, don't look down at your feet. Now let's take it to a touch with a little bend in the middle. Again, the bend is optional. Bringing the elbows up, working the back of the arms. So I'm trying to keep the elbows in line with the body, as if I'm between two panes of glass and I can't take my shoulders forward. You just take it as high as you need to feel it in the back of the arms. Try and keep the hands relaxed. Well done. Kick the feet across again. Nice soft knees. So both knees, the leg that you're straightening still has a slight soft bend. The other leg, a little bit of bounce in it. If going across doesn't feel right for you, just take it as a small tap, maybe tap the foot in front. But I really want you to be challenging your balance. It's not much of a challenge because we're doing it fairly fast. But for those of you that really need it, you will notice. Working the hip muscles here. Let's take it to a side step. Two steps, and back. Well done. Arms again are optional. Let's challenge the brain a little bit. Down, side, up, side, down, side. Again, you don't have to do the arms. You can make the feet much smaller. Oh, let's challenge it a bit more. Forward and up, forward and up, forward and up, forward and up. Can you alternate those? Down and up, forward and up, whoa, down and up. Maybe I can't. If you can do that, keep going. If not, join me with the simpler version. Right, you have a choice now. Grapevine if you want. So grapevine. Step, cross behind, step together. Those that know what you're doing, keep going. We're going to start to bring our heart rate down now. So just slowly lifting the heels, going onto the ball of the foot, nice and slow and controlled. Pulling the belly in. Really pushing the heel into the ground, lifting the other foot up. Well done. A little bit of balance here. If that doesn't work for you, touch your toe to the floor, well done. But if you can, do it on one leg. Keep the knees soft, let the shoulders relax, arms swing gently. Heels up, joggers walk. Nice and slow though. Try and keep the hips as level as you can. You're not sticking the hips out to the side, you're keeping them level. Pulling in your belly, keep breathing. Have a quick look down at your feet. Are your feet directly under your hips, or have you taken them a bit wider? Are your feet turning out? Doing this move slowly, you're really going to feel it. Have a quick look at your knees. Are they coming straight forward, or are they coming across the body or sticking outward? Let's take that kick or tap across. Swing the arms however is comfortable for you. I find swinging them across the body like this really helps my balance. But if you'd rather keep them on your waist or let them just swing naturally, that's fine too. Back to those heel raises. Massaging the feet into the mat. Very soft, slow, gentle bicep curl if you wish. Lifting, alternating heels. Just alternating. Ready for that swing and balance or tap. Remember, we're cooling the body down now, but we want to keep moving. Getting our heart rate back to normal if you need to. Tap. Down. Let's finish with a stretch today. Usual stretch we do just to give our calves a little bit of a stretch. I'm going to start by just lifting up the heels and taking one heel back, bringing it in. Push that heel all the way into the mat, bring it in. And then I'm going to ask you to hold that right heel down into the mat. Watch they're both facing forwards. If you find that you're wobbling a bit, take that front foot wider. And we're trying to keep the hips facing me at the front. I'm going to turn again sideways so you can see. So we don't want this sort of movement. I want the body facing the same way. Have a look at what's going on with your knee, knees above the ankle. Wherever that stretch is felt in the calf for you, or even whenever you feel the stretch in the calf. Well done. Sometimes I have trouble with my words. Okay, let's change sides. Let's just start by tapping back. Do the right leg the first time. Remember which leg you did. We want to stretch both. Have evenness in both sides of the body. Watch you've got your balance. Nice straight line. You can't see anything when I do it that way. Try and relax your head down. Once you're in position, don't look at me. Look down. Or look forward, relax. Feel what's going on with your body. Are you feeling the stretch in the calf? If not, maybe adjust the foot, turn the heel out a little bit. feel it where you feel you need it. Front knee above the ankle, between the ankle and the toe. Knee shouldn't be dropping in. So what I mean by dropping in, it shouldn't be here, it should be straight forward. Have a look and see. Well done, shake out your legs. Thank you so much for joining me in today's workout. I hope you had fun. See you again in the next workout. Bye for now.